My name's Zubair Rahman. I'm a solutions expert with Schein. Today I'm here at the Schein Center of Excellence, and I'm going to walk you through using and maintaining the Maxima PowerClean 210 ultrasonic cleaner. Let's start off by understanding degassing. Degassing is essential for efficient cleaning. It eliminates air bubbles from the solution that could potentially latch onto instruments, leaving unwashed pockets. The degassing process is automatic with the first time that the unit is powered on for the day, but for subsequent cleaning cycles, you should check the solution before each use. If you notice too many bubbles, you should manually degas the unit. On the left control knob, you can manually degas at any time by setting the dial to degas for up to 60, 120, and 180 seconds. Your selection is displayed right here. When you're ready to begin, just press the button. As a default setting, it will be set at 120 seconds, which is recommended. After degassing is complete, using the knob on the right, select your cleaning time, and again, press the knob to begin. Typical cleaning time is 5 minutes for 1 layer of cassettes or loose instruments, and 10 minutes for 2 layers of cassettes. We do recommend using cassettes with all instruments. It makes handling the instruments much easier. You'll also notice that there are 2 warning lights on the control panel. If the top is illuminated, refer to your troubleshooting guide for further instructions. If the bottom light is on, it just means that the lid is open and you must properly close the unit to proceed. Once you've selected the proper cleaning time, check that the drainage valve is in its closed position. Next, place the basket and cassettes in the main tank. Once the baskets are in place, close the lid and press the start button. After the cycle has been completed, rinse the basket and instruments thoroughly under running water. Lastly, open the drainage valve to drain the dirty water. After the last cleaning cycle of the day, it's good practice to clean and wipe the tank dry. Here are some tips to keep your Maxima PowerClean 210 in peak performance. It's important that you don't run the unit for extended periods of time. Even though the Maxima PowerClean 210 has an overheating protection mechanism, if it has been running continually for 30 minutes, we recommend letting the unit cool down for about 10 minutes before proceeding to your next cycle. Furthermore, if condensation water forms on the lid, wipe it off before placing the lid in the lid holder to avoid drips. We trust that you'll enjoy your Maxima PowerClean 210 for years to come. Thanks for watching.